Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news gist happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Tacha suffer wardrobe malfunction with cleavage bearing outfit at star-studded Amvca nominees party. Controversial baby Naija reality TV star Tacha has set tongues wagging and mouths drooling over the cleavage-bearing outfit she wore to the Amvca nominees party in Lagos. The glamorous event also had in attendance stars like Ramsey Noah, Adesua Etomi, Eniola Badmus, Moe Tabebe, etc. Meanwhile, the nominees list for the Africa Magic Viewers' Choice Award for the year 2020 has been released. The Amvca 2020 sees Ramsey Noah getting 4 nominations, which also include Best Actor in a Drama category, Best Actor in a Comedy category, Best Supporting Actor, and Best Director for Living in Bondage. Another star who also caught the eye in the Amvca cocktail party is baby Naija star Kaffi. Baby Naija star Kaffi has received a lot of backlash over her choice of outfit to the African Magic Viewers' Choice Award Amvca nominees cocktail party on Thursday. Notably, Nollywood movie star and former Big Brother Naija housemates were spotted in their best outfit at the star-studded event. However, Kaffi seems to have stood out among the crowd as web users expressed their displeasure over her daring outfit. The vlogger showed up in a shiny jumpsuit and a soft glam makeup on the red carpet. So guys, what do you think about this Kaffi's outfit? And what do you say about Tacha's dress sense to an event of that nature? Share your comments in the section below. And if you're a new subscriber, if you're a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel to get new notifications. Thank you.